Oh, yo, guys. Got a new location, look. One we spotted on Google Maps. Look, we ain't broken. Someone smashed the window before. As you can see. Look, you can put your hand through, push the thing. Happy days. It looks like an old people's home or something like that. It's good. See this. With my mate Steve.
Says I've got a knock there, it says, look.
You got a knock, Steve?
Please knock and come in, it says.
That's it, my mate.
Right, knocked.
Yeah. Knocking come in. Oh yeah, it's definitely like an hospital wall. Oh, look, no graffiti at all. It's just on my camera, guys. Yeah, look, hospital bed. I wonder if the electric lights in. Nah.
I don't know if it's or not.
It's a bit trash in here, no? Someone's been in there smashing stuff up. Oh, this is a nice one, guys. No graffiti at all. A wet road. See all the quilts. Weird old place, isn't it? See the old toilet. Chair. See, people have already been in here ripping the fuck out. And someone's already had the kitchen out. Yeah, it's the first time we've walked around in here, so I don't know how big it is. Oh, this is a reception. No, it's pretty trash in here. People have been in here. Cleaning cupboard. That's it. As you can see, the toilet. Wonder if it's in the wall. Nah, not yet. Your office bit, that. Thought my light would be better than this. It's got a lot of cell. It's obviously a retirement home, like an old people's home or something like that. Oh, that guy's all the keys. What you got? Anything good? Any good keys? What's that for? Window locks. I can hear Steve in the background. Oi. It's so loud. You have to walk round on your own, you know. Oh, we got upstairs, look guys. Someone's coat. Good little explore, mate. Excuse my noise. This must be the office parts. Everything you need in a safe, guys. To be fair, you don't really need lights in here. I'm not sure how big this place is. Everything's unlocked now. Oh, it's warm in here. Oh. It's all better. And got some. Let's put both tires. Both tires. Seat will be well shot. Meh. What is that? Looks like this place has been shut a while. Pigeons. Funeral memorials. Oh, yeah. Did you hear that, guys? I think this is the end of life place, to be honest. No, I can smell perfect. Deodorant's in here. See it? That dough? Looks like an end of life place. Find a way out now. No, nothing. Loads of bits of this place. Report anyone? How you liking it, Steve? Are you liking it, mate? It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, well, just say it to the viewers on here that
Yeah.
there's a vicious rumour saying that I'm dead.
You are dead.
And there's vicious rumour saying that I'm artificial intelligence. I'm not.
Do you like my new bow tie?
This must have been a care home, by the way.
Oh, there was like an end of life treatment.
Yeah, there was a commode chair back there, so it must be a care home or something.
Looks like the end of life.
Yeah, maybe it's the end of mine. Maybe I'm already dead.
It will be. You keep coming out with me. I'm your only friend.
The friend.
The friend.
The friend. Not the girlfriend.
It's upstairs to this place as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where's the stairs? I haven't seen them.
You will do. You have only one wing of it.
I genuinely haven't seen any stairs.
You're only in one wing.
Yeah, I've got the friend.
The friend.
The friend. You're the friend.
I'm a bit lost now. I don't know where I come in.
I think I've done this bit. I'm not sure. I think I've done this. I don't know where the upstairs is though.
It wasn't that big upstairs, but there must be upstairs the other way round. Let me just take that.
Well, you'd have thought so, wouldn't you, if it had been the whole
Let's
place?
just take this go by tire.
Yeah.
Make
Oh,
that
no,
happen.
Don't
What?
leave anything.
Well,
Right.
this is why we come in.
Oh, right, okay, so we don't go out there then. So where's upstairs then? Is that it there?
We've been in all that.
No, no, it's like upstairs, doesn't it? I think that.
Um,
That definitely looks like, oh,
Another bed.
Hey?
What?
Definitely
Oh.
looks like an upstairs to me.
I went upstairs.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I'll show you.
Oh, good.
We haven't been around it all.
No.
Let me just put one thing on.
Yeah.
Let's have
I'm really real honest. Yes, I really am real. I'm a real person.
You dead. Romans, I heard you
I'm
was.
Fred, I'm not dead, I promise you.
I did hear you was dead, no?
I'm not dead. What?
What?
I'm also a singer.
Are you a singer?
I don't think people believe I'm a singer or a rapper. Or a songwriter.
There must be more six days.
I've got 60 show rock and roll show in the future and 25 of those songs.
And- But he's only got one real friend.
No,
Wentworth.
actually, let me have a recording career, otherwise I'd have one. Somebody keeps on sabotaging everything I do.
But it ain't me.
No?
But where do you know it ain't me?
Well, it could be, but I hope not.
I think your only friend would be the battery
Darbo,
pepper.
gang stalking,
Gang banging. I'll keep my mouth shut.
psychological warfare, the whole fucking lot. They've done it all. 26 years. Anyway, here's the next one.
It's no good, is it? So.
Not for me.
Oh, there's a bottle of port here, Steve. Legends, legends are made for legends, ain't they, Steve? Bottle of port, mate. Go and have a look at. So that's about all for this place, guys. If I find any more places, then obviously I will show you. I think I've been here. But it's not that big, but it's pretty cool.
Right.
Yeah. Go and have a look round the rest.
I'm
There's
trying to find the
upstairs.
upstairs.
Well, you know where it is.
I haven't found the stairs yet.
You've been in there 16 times.
I wish I had. Why have we got a locked door there? One door shut.
Oh. What? I believe it's round here somewhere, so.
Was this one stair somewhere?
Yeah, it just goes upstairs. Well, nothing special.
Oh, I mean, what's the guy here? The wash machine.
Yeah.
Would you just look at the size of that washing machine?
Oh, would you just look at that stainless steel washing machine, guys?
Yeah, would you just look at that? Right.
There we go, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm ending up here.
Yeah.
Right. I'll speak to you later, guys. Say all the best, Steve.
All the best, Steve.